provide general information about the puterbird. Let's watch this video until it's finished.
Puterbird. Puterbird is the mascot or identity of Lamongan Regency, Java. This bird includes chirping birds. The Javanese people like this bird as a pet because its distinctive voice sounds reassuring. There are various types of puterbirds in Indonesia. One of them is the ordinary puterbird and pelung puterbird. The pelung puterbird has a long voice, while the ordinary puterbird has a short voice. Ordinary puterbirds are bright brown in color or can also have a brick red-brown color. The irises of his eyes are orange and the legs are red in color. This bird has existed in Indonesia for thousands of years. This type of puter is the easiest to adopt when compared to other types of puters. This bird is also easy to breed. Another feature of this ordinary puterbird is the black necklace around its neck. The food of these birds is usually green. Apart from the brown puter, there are also white ones, which are often called albinos.
Well, that's a little information about the puterbird that I can explain. If there are many shortcomings, I apologize. Thank you.